Eating healthy. Want better health? Want more energy?
Then brainwash yourself to success. I love eating nourishing food. Eating right is fun and easy for me. I love eating nourishing food. Eating right is fun and easy for me. I resist urges of eating unhealthy food. I can politely refuse unhealthy food offered to me. I choose what I want to eat. I resist urges of eating unhealthy food. I can politely refuse unhealthy food offered to me. I choose what I want to eat. I can decline unhealthy food and do so in total peace. I can decline unhealthy food and do so in total peace. I can visualize the long-term effects of every food I look at. I can visualize the long-term effects of every food I look at. I ignore false message of hunger and eat only when necessary. I ignore false message of hunger and eat only when necessary.
My body is my temple. It deserves the healthiest food I can find. My body is my temple. It deserves the healthiest food I can find.
I eat food because it is good for me, not based on taste. Just because something tastes good does not mean it's good for me. I eat food because it's good for me, not based on taste. Just because something tastes good does not mean it's good for me. I buy healthy food. My mind only searches for food that's healthy for me. I buy healthy food. My mind only searches for food that's healthy for me. I choose fruits and vegetables over salty, sugary, high-fat foods every time. I choose fruits and vegetables over salty, sugary, high-fat foods every time. Fresh vegetables feel and taste good in my mouth. Fresh vegetables feel and taste good in my mouth. I get all the vitamins and nutrients I need. I get all the vitamins and nutrients I need. Healthy eating and I are one. I accept healthy eating as a way of life. Healthy eating and I are one. I accept healthy eating as a way of life. I love life and I am immune to the temptations of eating unhealthy food. I love life and I am immune to the temptations of eating unhealthy food. I am in full control of my appetite and food choices. I am in full control of my appetite and food choices.
Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Aaron Tupaz of PositivelyBrainwashed.com, and if you like this video and you want to see more, and you know people who you think needs to be positively brainwashed, then help support by sharing and subscribing, and then tell us what you want to be brainwashed about.